Today we're talking about 5 online jobs for beginners with no experience needed. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to make some extra cash, we've got you covered. So hit that like button and let's get started. Alright, the first website that we are going to talk about is usertesting.com. User Testing is an awesome website that connects people like you and me with companies that need feedback on their websites, apps, and products. All you have to do is sign up and take some simple tests. If I click on Get Paid to Test, you will see that they mention the ultimate side hustle, get paid to share your perspective. Just you need to share your perspective on products, and you can make money in your spare time with this website. To get started, all you need to do is enter your email and agree to their terms and conditions. Here's how it works. First, you need to sign up for an account on the User Testing website. You will need to fill out some basic information about yourself and complete a sample test. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete a screener survey. This survey helps User Testing match you with relevant tests based on your demographic information. After that, when a test becomes available, User Testing will send you an invitation via email. You can choose to accept or decline the invitation. If you accept, you'll need to complete the test within a specified time frame. And finally, once you've completed a test, you'll receive payment via PayPal within 7 days. The amount you can earn per test varies, but typically ranges from $10 to $60 per test. I've got some killer tips to help you get selected on usertesting.com. First up, make sure your audio quality is on point when submitting that sample test. Trust me, it's a total game changer. Next, you gotta be good at English. You don't need to have a PhD in vocabulary, but you do need to be able to express your thoughts with ease. Last but not least, don't be shy. Speak up loud and proud. Clear communication is key to making sure they understand you like a pro. Okay, now comes the second website, Merch by Amazon. If you have a flair for fashion and a talent for design, then you're in luck, because Merch by Amazon is a fantastic way to make some extra cash in 2023. Basically, Merch by Amazon is an online platform that lets you create and sell your own custom t-shirts on Amazon.com. That's right, you get to showcase your creative skills and make money doing it. All you have to do is sign up, design your t-shirts, and upload them to the platform. Amazon takes care of the printing, shipping, and customer service, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Check out this super simple and totally minimalist t-shirt design. It's perfect for those who like to keep things simple. It's got a cool loading logo in the text. I am thinking, how simple is that? And the best part, you can make similar designs in just 5 minutes on Canva.com. But wait, there's more. This t-shirt has over 131 reviews on Amazon, which means it's selling like hotcakes. If I scroll to the bottom, you'll see that all of these t-shirts are print on demand, which is pretty awesome. Check out this green t-shirt. It's got a simple text design, yet it's selling for $21.99 with over 1,325 reviews. If you do the math, that means the vendor is making around $27,000. And the best part is, there are no shipping or inventory costs on Merch by Amazon, so you can start making money without any hassle. So, if you're looking for a fun and creative way to earn some extra cash in 2023, Merch by Amazon is definitely worth checking out. The third website that helps you earn money is ProductTube. ProductTube is a platform where you get paid for recording short videos of yourself using products and sharing your honest opinion about them. It's kind of like being a product reviewer, except instead of writing reviews, you're making videos. Basically, there are 3 different ways to earn money on ProductTube. The first way is by creating short at-home videos, sharing how you shop online or consume products. The second way is about recording short videos when you're actually at the store, sharing how you shop. The third way is by exploring new product concepts provided by the app using augmented realities. Just remember, the key to making money on ProductTube is to be honest and authentic in your reviews. Don't just say what you think the company wants to hear. So, how do you make money using ProductTube? It's simple. All you have to do is download their app and then sign up using your email address. Then you need to browse the available projects and apply for the ones that interest you. If you get selected, you'll receive a free product to test out and record a video about. Once you've submitted your video and it's been approved, you'll get paid. The amount of money you can make varies depending on the project, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $5 to $50 per video. Bonus tip: if you create high-quality videos that are engaging and informative, you'll increase your chances of getting selected for even more projects and can make more money. Okay, this time, we're talking about userbrain.com. Userbrain is a platform that pays people to test out websites and apps and give their honest feedback. When you click on Get Paid to Test, you will complete various tasks such as find articles on politics, find a place to stay for your trip to Venice, book cinema tickets for you and your friends, and so on. Each test typically takes around 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and pays anywhere from $3 to $10 depending on the complexity of the task. To get started, simply sign up to the website and download the user brain recorder for Google Chrome or on the iOS app. The app will then have you complete a couple of sample tasks that last about 10 to 20 minutes. And after your account has been approved, you'll get paid. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll need to have a computer with a microphone and a stable internet connection in order to complete the tests. Also, it's important to be honest and thorough in your feedback so that the companies can make improvements based on your insights. You can always see your current balance on your dashboard. As soon as your balance reaches $10, you can request a payout to your PayPal account. But you need to enter your valid PayPal email address and your billing address in your account settings to get paid. Now comes the fifth online job website, ClearVoice. Have you ever heard of Upwork or Freelancer? They're pretty cool websites where you can send proposals to clients who need your services. But wait, let me introduce you to a new website, ClearVoice. It's a freelance writing website that just got acquired by Fiverr. And get this, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on their career page, it'll magically redirect you to the Fiverr career page. Basically, it's a website that connects freelance writers with businesses and brands that need content written. So, how do you make money using ClearVoice? Well, it's simple. You sign up for an account, create a profile, and start applying for writing gigs that interest you. Guess what? You don't have to be a professional content writer to write killer content these days. That's right, with the help of ChatGPT, you can generate top-notch writing in no time. But if you're looking for something even better, you should check out Jasper AI. It's a paid service, which means not everyone is using it, and it produces seriously impressive content. Now, when it comes to getting hired as a freelancer, it's all about standing out from the crowd. You want to make your profile and pitch really shine. Highlight your strengths, showcase your writing samples, and make it clear why you're the best fit for the job. Here, freelancers can earn anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per assignment. And some of these gigs can be completed in just one day. So, get out there and start your freelance writing journey. Since you watched this video so far, that's why as a bonus, I shared another affiliate website to make money on. But before that, if you feel you have gotten value so far, smash that like and subscribe button for discovering new online income opportunities daily. So, the website is called Munchai.com. Munchai is a platform that launches and promotes upcoming digital products. These products can range from software to online courses to ebooks and more. One of the best ways to make money through Munchai is by becoming an affiliate. If you want to be ahead of the game and maximize your earning potential, keep an eye out for upcoming launches on Munchai.com. The earlier you start promoting a product, the more likely you are to make sales and earn a nice commission. When it comes to promoting products on Munchai.com, don't just blindly share your affiliate link everywhere and hope for the best. Think about whom the product is best suited for, what problems it solves, and why people would want to buy it. So, go ahead, explore these 5 options, and take that first step toward your first online job. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on how to succeed in the digital world. See you in the next video.